Are you constantly haunted and worried about what other people think about you? Like you literally switch your life around, switch yourself around to try to please people because you care so much about what other people think. If you are in that situation, then I want you to know that it's normal because as humans, we are literally wired to care about the other people and to pertain in a group, but that is literally stopping you from becoming your best self, because when you care about what other people think, you don't necessarily live for yourself, you're living for other people. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about this very important topic and literally rewire your brain with the things I'm going to tell you so that you stop caring so much about what other people think and start living for yourself and therefore creating the life of your dreams. Because caring about what other people think is literally stopping you from becoming the best version of yourself. And that's it, point blank, period. So if you need help with that and you want to switch your life after one video, then go ahead and keep on watching because Angel Energy is here to help. Okay, so the first thing I want to say in terms of this topic about caring about what other people think is that it is 100% normal to feel that way. It is 100% normal to care about what other people think. I care about what other people think. Everybody cares about what other people think because we are humans. Literally, when we were born as little children, we were told to care about what people think. We were told to care about people's feelings. At school, we would get in trouble if we stepped out of line. We were literally socially trained to be in a group, to belong in society. But belonging in society means people pleasing. It means like believing in the center beliefs of the world and not necessarily your beliefs. It means identifying with the collective consciousness, which is literally like 98% of the world. And if you are part of this 98% of the world, then you will not be unique or special or different or live in purpose, because 98% of the world is literally living unconsciously. They just wake up, have a routine, go to work, come back home, watch TV, eat junk food, and waste their life. Literally waste their days, waste their life because they are not living for themselves, because they've literally been trained. Society wants to train the most individuals possible so that it can prosper, so that like the people at the top prosper. So if you care about what other people think, I want you to know that it is 100% normal, because it is the training that we had when we were children to belong in society. But I also want you to know that you can no longer live like that, because if you care about what other people think and if you are partaking in the collective consciousness beliefs and identifying with it, then you will not be able to live your dream life, and you will never become the person of your dreams, or never be fully satisfied and happy, or ever really come to love yourself and be whole. And that's the truth, and that is why this video is so important, and that is why I'm going to tell you these things so that you can rewire your brain and switch this old training that you had to become one with yourself and apart from society. The first thing I want to say to switch your beliefs around caring about what other people think is that you never really know people, and you never really know what people are thinking, and also people never really know you. So caring about what people think is literally irrelevant. It's kind of dumb, because like you can care and try to satisfy this person and try to be everything that you think they like and everything. But at the end of the day, you can't control how they think, and it might not even come off that way, because people are only seeing a reflection of their own reality. It's like you can believe or try to do whatever to like please this person, but at the end of the day, they're only going to see you for whatever they are. Literally, like if their whole entire life they experience trauma and no love and like heartache, then no matter how much love you try to give this person, no matter how much affection or whatever it is, like they're literally gonna think you're being fake. Like they're gonna think it's fake love because they never experienced that, or like their world doesn't allow them to see that. So you need to understand that everybody is living in their own universe. It's literally universe, and the only thing you see is yourself. These people are a reflection of you. It's literally the same way, the other way around. Like the people you're seeing, you're not even seeing them for who they really are. You're seeing them for who you think they are. You might think that they're the greatest person in the world, and they're hiding really dark secrets. You might think they're the worst person in the world, and you're wrong. Like they're actually the best person in the world. You don't see people for who they are. You see people for who you think they are. Literally, your perception, what you believe, is your projection. It's literally what you're seeing, but you're never actually seeing the truth. And the truth is, there are no truths except what your subconscious accepts as truth. There is no truth. You'll never really know the truth of the person, because you'll never know anybody, and nobody will ever know you. So it is irrelevant to care about what other people think, because you can't. Like whatever you think is always going to be wrong. It's never going to be 100% factual, and whatever they think about you is always going to be wrong and never going to be 100% factual. The only person that really knows you is yourself. So the most important thing is to be happy and love yourself. And that leads me to my second point, which is the biggest thing that you need to do to stop caring about what people think is to start caring about what you think about yourself. The only thing that should matter is how you feel about yourself. It's literally how you are going to become the greatest version of yourself. And now you're like, okay, Angel, well, how do I start caring about myself instead of pedalizing these people and caring about what they think about me more? And it starts by literally trusting yourself and by starting to do things that you think are good for you. So you start working out, you start like uploading videos. Like if your passion is to do YouTube, start uploading videos no matter what. It's going to be so hard. And I know you're going to care about what people think, but you need to go through that battle. Like when I started these videos, and even now, like I care about what people think and I still post it. And it's like a hump you need to get through. Like when you first start doing things that you want for yourself, like the beginning is going to be so hard because you're going to feel judged, you're going to feel dumb, you're going to be feel embarrassed. But as you continue to do it, you will start gaining self-trust and self-love. And when you start gaining enough, you'll realize that like you don't care what people think about you anymore because you love yourself now. And now you're proud of yourself. And it doesn't matter if somebody thinks you're stupid. It doesn't matter if somebody thinks you're like not up to the par with them, because you are up to par with yourself. You're doing what makes you happy, and therefore you are happy with yourself. And it's kind of like I'm saying YouTube videos because this is what like I like to do. But like if you feel unhappy with your weight and you care about somebody thinking that you're ugly, then start working out. Go to the gym every single day and work out. And after like 1 month of being consistent at the gym, you don't care if people think you're ugly because you will feel proud of the effort you're putting in. It's like, even if they think you're ugly, you're like, well, I go to the gym like 5 times a week. Do you put in this much work to feel healthy, to feel good about yourself? Like you need to start showing yourself that you are there for yourself and that you are doing things that make you happy. Whatever it is, like I like to dance. I just started dancing, and at first, like I wasn't the greatest dancer. And did I care what people thought about me? I did. It would literally haunt me, but I continued to do it. And the thing is that you need to get over this hump and just do the things you love to do, no matter how embarrassing it feels, no matter how judged you feel, no matter how dumb you feel. Like just do the things you love to do, because after, it's like a hump. It's like a hump you need to get through. And once you get through the hump, you will find self-love. And once you find self-love, you're whole, and the world and the rest of the world doesn't matter. And another thing I wanted to talk about in terms of this topic is that you can also use caring about what other people think to motivate you. Like you can use caring about what other people think to put more effort into yourself, to work on yourself, to be better for yourself. Like I care a lot about what my man thinks about me, so I literally bettered myself. Like I wanted to be a better person for him. And is it bad to care about what some people think about you? It's not, because sometimes that makes you a better person, but just never idolize them or never pedestalize them. Like if my man thinks I shouldn't do this, but I still want to do that because that's my passion, I'm going to do it regardless of that, you know? But if my man thinks that I should not eat dairy because it causes me bloating, then I should probably like kind of care about that one, because that one's going to help me be a better person and help me become better, you know? So pick and choose where you care about what people think, because the truth of the matter is you're still going to care about what people think a little bit. Like you're still going to care about what your mom thinks. You're still going to care about what your man thinks. You're still going to care about what your crush thinks about you. And use that to motivate you. Like find the polar opposite. If you care about this person, like thinking that you're the greatest, then actually become the greatest. Like actually do things that make you the greatest. Don't just fake it. Don't just like care about it. Like do things that make you the greatest. If you want this man to think that you're the prettiest, then use that as motivation to try to become the prettiest version of yourself. How can I become prettier? How can I do my hair? Like sometimes you can use it as motivation, and you need to realize that nothing is like really bad. Like, you know how people say comparison is the thief of joy? Comparison can also be the source of joy. Comparison can also be the source of inspiration. Sometimes when you compare yourself to other people, you feel inspired, and you don't have to like take it as a negative thing. So the same thing with this one. Caring about what people think can make you haunted and insecure and stressed, but caring about what other people think can also give you motivation and a source of inspiration and make you turn into your best self. So try to find the polar opposite and try to find where this like thing can make you better. And I promise you, if you do those 3 things, like literally find how you can use this to make you better, and also just get over the hump. Get over the hump and do things that you love for yourself and find that self-love, then you will see yourself not caring about what people think without you even trying. If you try to stop caring about what people think, it's going to be so hard. Like you're literally going to like, it's like resisting, and the more you resist, the worse it gets. But if you actually do things that you love to do, then that's literally what's going to make you stop caring about what people think, because you're going to find self-love and self-fulfillment. So really focus on yourself, and also remember, like I said in the beginning, that nobody knows you. You also don't know anybody. We are all living in our own universe. We all came into this world alone. We're all going to leave this world alone. The whole entire purpose of being in this world is just for our soul to become better. It's just for us to find purpose. It's just for us to become the greatest version of ourselves. And nothing really matters. Like, that's another thing I wanted to say, and the last thing I should probably say, because I was already gonna end this video, but nothing even matters. Like Miss Lauren Hills said, nothing even matters. Literally nothing in this world even matters. Like, you can plan your whole entire life. You can try to be the best thing ever. And tomorrow, a train wreck happens. Like, nothing even matters. There are some things that are out of your control. And one of the things that is out of your control is how people perceive you, what people think about you. And sometimes you have to let go of the things you can't control and let God. Like, just let it be. Let it be. Focus on yourself. Focus on the things you can control. And realize that this life is so short. Like, life is so short. You're really going to spend your whole entire day crying or worrying about what people think and not reach your dreams. Life is so short. Life is so short. We could literally die tomorrow. I can like leave my house right now and this is so bad of me to say, but I'm just going to say it because it's the truth. I could leave my house right now and get in a car accident and die. And I didn't do what I wanted to do today because I cared about what people thought. Like, no, you need to realize how short life is and how important life is. It's too important to care about what people think. It's too important to not reach your dreams. It's too important to not pursue your mission. And therefore, you must get over the hump. Do it. Do it whether you feel embarrassed. Do it whether you feel dumb. Do it whether you feel stupid or ugly. Do it, whatever. Do it. Get over the hump. On the other side of the hump is your dream life. It's happiness. It's your dream self. So do it. I believe in you, and I hope this video changes your life, as I know it will. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Angel kisses forever, and I love you guys so much. Stay inspired, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous, stay aligned, stay angelic, stay everything you want to be, because you know this world is yours. You are living in your own universe, and therefore the world that you live in is yours. And I want you to remember that you are so powerful because you have God within. And yeah, bye bye.